It's 7:30 in the morning. What the hell are you doing here?
Red, be nice. Stephen, we're waiting.
Oh, I've been living in the basement. You know, I did notice a dusting of curly hair on the floor, but I just wrote it off to my changing teenage body. We moved back in. My dad got transferred.
Transferred? He's a bartender. Where'd he get transferred to? The jukebox?
You know, Red, if it's cool, I'd kind of rather not talk about it.
Well, Stephen, it's important to get these things out in the open.
Kitty, let him do what's natural and keep his feelings bottled up. Attaboy.
Well, welcome back, Stephen. You know, maybe we can spruce up your old room since I decided to redo the basement.
What? You're redoing the basement?
Well, honey, no one uses it.
I use it. Every day. It's my bat cave.
I'll find you a good cheap contract.
Oh, no. This is something I want to handle myself.
This is going to be expensive, isn't it?
Maybe.
Don't you like anything cheap?
I like you.
I'm gonna miss it down here. A lot of good times. Broke my foot climbing out of this dryer. In my head playing handball with the soap in the shower. And Jackie totally did it like a bajillion times on this old sofa.
That's private.
I got news for you. Wasn't that private?
Oh my God! That was the biggest spider I have ever seen. I think it had a rat in its mouth. Oh. Okay. I think maybe the basement isn't the place for me after all.
Oh, you know what, Mom? I think you might be right. I mean, not only is it bug infested down here, but in all honesty, I think it might be haunted. Get out! That's spooky.
I don't know, Mrs. Foreman. I mean, sure, it's a pit now, but if you paint, fumigate, and get rid of Eric, this could be a great room.
Hey, okay, you're not my girlfriend anymore, okay? So you don't get an opinion on my stuff now. Mom, don't listen to her. She's crazy.
Oh, wait, I disagree with you, so I'm crazy? I think the last time I disagreed with you was the sanest thing I ever did.
Okay, you referring to our breakup? Because I must remind everyone here that she wore my promise ring around her neck. That's crazy. Ring, finger, ring.
You're lucky I didn't shove the ring up your ass!
Mom! Alright, wait. Who said get out?
Anyway, Mrs. Foreman, we have a bunch of decorating magazines at home. I'll bring them over.
Well, thank you, Donna. And I think that ring looked nice around your neck.
Donna, what the hell? What, we're not going out anymore, so you don't like my basement?
Well, I guess now that I'm an ex-girlfriend, I'm free to tell the truth. Free at last! Free at last! Woo!
Michael, get Eric some ice.
What?
For that wicked burn, Eric, burn!
Oh, happy day. Your friend Fez has taken his love of dance to its logical conclusion.